My man's just copped some heat. Honestly. I don't think anybody else has done a video on these yet.
I haven't seen any.
Air Max 90.
A little bit of off-white action.
Air Max 90. Black. Black.
You
Black.
can see it.
Black.
You can see it. International priority. You can see it. Let's get into these bad boys. You know what I'm saying? It's a little toasty in here. Oh, fucking smoke show out here. Shout out to End though.
And
Shout out to End on the raffle. I ain't gonna lie.
how much did you pick these up for?
So I paid $230 total.
Okay.
The retail was $160. I don't really know why it was $230 on the website, but it's European, so maybe that had something to do with it.
Like international tax or something?
Yeah. Well, I don't know because that's a lot of tax. I think the actual like store wanted to get something out of it, so they like charged like $60 or $70 extra. Oh. Shout out
A
End.
little
Let's
end
go ahead
letter.
and
A little end
go
letter.
on and peep what the End people had to
Nike
shout out and say.
Nike swoosh. Nike swoosh. Ooh.
So we got whatever this is, a little bit of card.
End card.
Card. It says "so" on the back. S-O-E. Whatever the fuck "so" is.
Maybe that's Zoe.
Maybe Zoe.
Shout out to
Go.
Zoe.
So, you see the box. So the one thing about this raffle that I kind of fucked up with was when I was doing it online,
Right.
I got to the final page and I selected the size and I chose 12 and did not think about it being a euro. So UK 12 equals US 13. Your boy wears 11.5/12. You see where we're at.
Yeah.
now. So
yeah.
let's go ahead and check out.
Size 13, Air Max 90.
Authentic, baby. All right,
Sure.
let's go ahead. You see it. You know how it comes with the off-white. You guys know how it comes with the off-white. And now I can't cap. I thought they were gonna be fire. I did not think they were gonna be this fire.
Dog film, show me.
Yeah. So you know how the
Those are
off-whites
disgusting.
come. You know how they always come. You know how it is. A little bit of Oregon shout out there. So all the materials in these things kind of go crazy though. So like this mesh upper right here, pretty soft. The leather's not anything crazy. It's pretty, you know, Nike leather. The suede's pretty nice, but all the details and the hits,
That's some quality right there.
like, I don't know if we can try and turn the light. All the stitching, you know, a little bit of hang tag action. These bitches are fire though. I'm not gonna lie. I think they come with extra laces. Oh yeah, one extra pair of laces in the white. I don't know though. I feel like the all black out look kind of better. Bruh, the most
Those are nice.
fire pair of Air Max 90s I've ever seen in my life, bruh. By far.
They're huge. I mean, they're like
Bro,
huge.
I think I might be able to put an insole on these and fit 'em. Bro, even on the suede,
Like, they're
they've
just-
got the. I don't know if you guys can
If you
see
do like
that.
a size
The
10 and a
US
half,
You see that US? That's on the suede. That's on the suede. I'm fucking with that. These bitches, bro. These bitches are some heat, man. Shout out to the raffle, bro. Shout out to the raffle. The
Yep.
orange hit too, just holy fucking cannoli oil, bro. These bitches going crazy.
so if anybody out there has a size
11.5, size 12, bro.
and you want a size 13, I will link his Instagram in the description, and I'll link my Instagram in the description, my Snapchat, my Twitter. You can hit me up, and then I'll get you in touch with him, and then we can set something up, because he really wants to wear these.
I'm trying to wear them for real.
So
11.5,
wear your kicks. Like, if you want to sit on a pair of shoes, sit on like a size 13. Don't sit on a pair that can be worn. Don't sit on a pair that can be worn. But
oh man, these
are definitely nice. Those are definitely nice.
Shout out End, bro. Biggest W of the year by far, and it's only fucking February. And it's only
These
February.
are nice.
Boom.
Well, an unboxing. This is his first time seeing the shoes. You can see he literally just ripped everything open with the knife right
bro,
here.
They smell incredible.
Yeah.
Bro, they smell. Any any sneakerhead out there knows. Any Heat Nike, any limited.
It smells like a NBA locker room. Like
Any
a brand new locker room.
Any limited Nike sneaker smells incredible, bro. Like
a brand new locker room.
New car times 10.
New locker room.
New car times 10 for sure.
New locker room.
Oh my god.
Brand new whip,
bro.
got no keys.
It literally smells like Foot Locker, bro.
I really want to take a look at the quality of the box and like
So,
just the.
You got your sticker in here. You know, all the wrapping paper actually is kind of pretty dope. Coming in here, pretty Virgil-esque, and a bunch of
Everything's been folded nicely too.
brand name. One other thing I did want to like look at though on these bad boys is this like exposed foam, and like even I'm not even trying to cap, bro. Even the foam on these bitches like low key just straight fire. Like I don't know what Virgil was smoking when he came up with this deconstructed look, but whatever it is, bruh, it's gotta be some of the strongest and best shit I've ever seen, because this shit is straight gas, bro. Straight fucking
Gas, bro.
gas, bro.
Gas.
Wait, hold up.
Fuego.
Did someone call the fire department? Alright, no. Don't put that in there. Back on the heel tab. Get you some of that detailing back there. Boom. 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 Brand new whip, got all the keys. Got all the keys. Anyways, man, shout out Virgil, shout out Nike, shout out N, shout out E-Daddy.
All right.
3-day cruise.
I know this isn't what I usually put on my channel, but I do want to try something different. And these shoes are fire. I like shoes. I don't just like whatever I post about. I like other stuff too that I don't post about, and this is one of them. So, I mean, if you want to see some more, hit me up. Maybe we can get some more of these videos going.
Maybe a little more.
You never know. Maybe we can get some more shoe action. Maybe I can build a collection. My collection is garbage right now.
We actually need to get them built.
So,
We'll get them going.
but thanks for watching. Hit my links down below. Subscribe, like, leave some feedback. Peace.